Project calendars establish the days and times when individuals work. The working and non working time for your entire project is defined by a project calendar. Additional calendars can be created to define various work schedules such as resource shift. Let's start with the blank project. To demonstrate how calendars function, I'm going to click by heading on the project tab and then click the project information. Set the project start date. Let's say my project start date is 23rd of May 2022 and then click OK button. Now next is change working time. This is called change working time form dialog box where you have the standard project calendar where Sunday and Saturday both are non-working days. The name for this project calendar is standard followed by project calendar in parentheses. This project uses the built-in standard calendar by default. However, for this project, we will build a new calendar. At the top right, click create new calendar. And in the create new base calendar box where it says name, let's change the name for instance to my project calendar. To save your time, you can create a copy of a standard calendar. That way, all I have to do is to change the things that are different. So I'm going to click OK, and now I've got my new calendar name, my project calendar. Now go to Worksheet tab and click on the Detail button. In this calendar, as I said earlier, Saturday and Sunday both are non-working days, whereas Monday to Friday these are white days, which means these are working days. Let's start by selecting the days that I want to modify. The first day I want to modify is Saturday, which is the working day in my project. So this calendar is going to have a 6 days worksheet. I select Saturday and then select option set days to working time. So now Saturday is my working day. The next thing I want to change is working hours for all days. Let's select all days and change the time from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., which includes 1 hour lunch break from 1 to 2 p.m. After providing the working schedule for the days you have selected, click the OK button. Now you can see in the box the times for the default worksheet show up in white for Saturday. I can see my new working time from Monday to Saturday. Click any day and now you can see your working time is 9 to 6 p.m. daily. The next thing we have to do is we have to make sure that the calendar options that the project uses will match what we have done with the calendar. To do that, first you need to click this OK button and then click on the File tab and then click on Project Information. In the Project Option dialog box, select the schedule category. And the calendar options are in this very first section where week starts on Monday, fiscal year starts in January, default start time is 8 a.m. You must change this time, that is 9 a.m. and default end time is 5 p.m. You can change it to 6 p.m. Hours per day are now 8, hours per week are 48, and days per month are now 24 in this project. These settings have to match the default worksheet, and I'm going to do this just for the active project, which is project 1. So after making these changes, click OK button. Go to project tab and click on project information. Here the calendar is default standard. Click the drop down and select the My Project calendar for your project and click on OK button. Now this project will use this My Project calendar for your entire project calculation work.